In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates to streamline projects in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting started, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the top left corner of your Asana dashboard. You'll see a big friendly Create button waiting for you to click it. Go ahead and give that button a click. Once you've clicked on the Create button, a menu will pop up. From there, select the Projects option. This will guide you in setting up your project exactly how you want it. Now you'll see a button that says Use a Template. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a variety of pre-structured setup options. This is really fantastic because it saves you so much time and effort. Take a moment to browse through the different categories available. You're looking for a template that closely resembles the specific workflow you need for your project, whether it's marketing, product development, or anything else. Finding the right template can really help you get started on the right foot. Once you find a template that suits your needs, click on it to review its details. This is where you can look at the information that's included and get a feel for the overall structure of the project. When you're satisfied with what you see and think it aligns with your goals, you can proceed. Find the button that says Use Template and click that to generate a ready-to-go framework for your work. Doesn't that feel good? You're now equipped with a foundational structure that's been thoughtfully laid out for you, which means you can focus on what really matters, completing your tasks. But let's say you already have an existing project that you've worked on, and you want to use that as a template going forward. No problem at all. Find that project in your Asana dashboard and look for the small caret icon next to the project title. It might seem like a tiny detail, but it opens up a whole new world of options. Click on that caret icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Save as Template option. This action allows you to convert your existing project into a reusable template for future endeavors. Now you've created a custom template that you can use for any recurring projects that follow the same set of steps. Isn't that a game changer? Just think about how much time and energy you'll save when you can simply select a pre-made template instead of starting from scratch every time. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create and utilize templates in Asana to streamline your projects effectively. This not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures consistency in your work. So go ahead and check your result now. Explore your newly created templates and get ready to tackle those projects with newfound efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your project management tools. Happy